Novotel Visakhapatnam Varun Beach is one of the best 5-star luxury hotels that you can get in India. Why? Because they offer amazing service, gorgeous beach views, and hill views. This is located right across RK Beach, and everything is available within 2 to 3 kilometers of the range. This is the lobby area, and we'll cover the room tour first because everybody gets excited for the rooms. So please continue watching for hotel amenities that I've covered later. Alright, so about room, as soon as you enter the room, on the left hand side is the washroom, which is quite spacious, and also given the glass wall, it doesn't give a very suffocating feeling, which is, I guess, the best part. You obviously have a curtain which you can just drop down and you can have your privacy. On the right is your storage area where you get iron, rubber slippers, which come in very handy if you want to go down to the beach. So thoughtful enough. So yeah, 1 star for that. Then another storage area is there where you can secure your important items, and a huge mirror, and again a space for your suitcase and luggage. Then this is how the bed and the entire room looks like. The interior was very warm and welcoming. Small pantry area, a mini refrigerator, your desk to work on, and then the lounging area. Now just wait and watch. Look at the breathtaking views from my room. Isn't it gorgeous? Another good thing about this hotel is that almost every room gets the beach views. So no matter which category of room you're preferring or going in for, you will get the beach views. Now talking about the tariffs, I guess we paid 9,000 for one night and we opted for 2 meals. So I guess it was 12 for us. So yeah, I guess given the 5-star luxury, everything, it's totally justified. The hotel also offers such sit-out areas outside your room. Now this was the play area. I was quite disappointed at first because it's very small for kids, right? But they were very clever. They've installed a table which has all games, so that basically keeps your toddler or your kids engaged for hours. This way you can enjoy your hot meals and you won't be disturbed by any of your kids. So this is the restaurant area where they serve all of their buffets, breakfast, lunch, dinner. This also gives you amazing views because it kinds of opens in the pool area on the left, which gives you a road view and hence the ocean view. I might be using the word beautiful a lot here because these views are just to die for. I could see hills, I could see beach. I was there in a beautiful luxury hotel and I just enjoyed my stay. So they were setting up for the high tea, which they give complimentary to all the hotel guests. The view from swimming pool is also gorgeous. Right next to the main pool, they have this jacuzzi area also, which wasn't functioning while we were there. And then there's a kids pool also attached to the main pool. I also enjoyed a few games with my baby there. And yeah, this is the hotel view at night. It is very nice. You will feel very relaxing at this property. And this is their menu for the high tea. They served some pakoras, cookies, bhel puri, tea and coffee. Have a look at the swimming pool at night. Next up in the amenities, they offer a spa, and then they obviously have a gym area which is fully equipped. You have all of your more than basic equipments. And another point which is like unique to this hotel is that they have a jogging track. So if you're someone who loves watching city views or love gazing at the city, you will enjoy the terrace for sure. And if you're someone who's a health freak and who loves their running, you will have a great time. I had to fast forward this video 5x so you can get an idea how long the full track is. It encircles the entire hotel, so you won't have to compromise on your run if you're staying at this hotel. Now let's have a look at the buffet. This was their dinner buffet. They had all kind of dishes from North India, South India, continental, Chinese and everything. Again, I had to speed up this video because it takes a lot of time to capture everything, but yeah, you'll get an idea of how lavish and huge the buffet spread was. They had a lot of variety in ice creams and sweets as well. For the entertainment, they had a gorgeous singer singing my favorite song, so I spent an hour extra there. Then somewhere around 12 midnight from my room, this was the view. People were celebrating birthdays And the next morning, I was replaced by my toddler who was having fun looking at people splashing in the pool. This property also features a shop where you can buy souvenirs. Alright, this is all we have for this video. If you want to see more such luxury tours, subscribe to our channel. Alright, bye.